tell you, the service I've got here at Sandy Hook Yacht was fantastic. From the first time we walked onto the premises, I was treated like royalty. They guys took a great care of me. I have a beautiful boat now. I'm just gonna pick up today. They got it all prepped. Did a nice sea trial. I said this is a great boat, so was able to feel comfortable about purchasing it, and I have it ready for early season for me. Everything all taken care of, got a nice trailer, got everything all set, so I'm very happy. Looking forward to a long relationship here.